Good morning everyone. Today I will be presenting my mobile application called MHike, an hiking management system designed to help users record, organize, search, and share their hiking experience efficiently. MHike provides users with essential tools such as viewing all hike session hike by different criteria, adding or editing hike detail recording observation, checking weather forecast, and even sharing hike information with others. In this demonstration, I will walk through and show each feature clearly and explain how the app supports hiker in real-world situations. First, I will demonstrate the View All Hike feature. From the home screen, the tab View All Hikes. The second presents a list of all stored hike display with the hike name, location, and hike. Hike are also organized in a cut-out list format for easy viewing. MHike include a dedicated search function. When the user taps search, a search bar appears. The search system supports three types of filtering: search by name, search by height, search by location. The user types the hike name of and the app instantly displays hike matching the query. And the user put a value hike. The app showed all hike equal similar to that hike range. And the user enter a location such as Tokyo, Hokkaido, and the others. The list filtered to only show hike in those areas. Next one is I will demonstrate how to add a new hike. The user tap plus button or add new hike button. A font appears with fields such as hike name, location, hike date, difficulty, description, and choosing photo, taking photo, and save hike button. When user want to add new hike, user need to fill all these input. In the selecting date, I implemented the calendar to be easily to choose the date. After selecting the date, you need to fill difficulty. Description is the optional. Next one is choosing photo from the gallery I'm taking photo. If you want to add photo, choose the yes, and if you don't want to choose photo, choose the no. Choosing photo and taking photo is the optional. It's not necessary. After adding new hike, new hike, it appears in the hike page, and can search with by name. Next one is deleting hike. When you click touch button and choose the yes, the hike is automatically deleted. And then next one I will to editing hike. Now I will demonstrate the edit hike function. Tapping pencil icon, it opens the editable font and will pre-fill information. The user can adjust location, name, hike, or any other detail. After making changes, press the Save Hike button and update the hike. This ensures flexibility for users who may want to correct or update their hike information later. After editing hike information and press the yes button, the updated hike information is appear in all hike pages. And then this is the homepage, and you can search and hike information from this too. And then next one is view hike detail. When the user clicks on a hike, the hike detail screen opens. This includes hike name, location, hike date, and difficulty. And the other features are observation link to the hike, a shell button, and weather information option. This detail view as the hub for all hike-related activities. And next one is the add observation feature. After clicking adding observation, and from the hike detail screen, the input form appears when the user can record details such as observation title and time and comment. Comment is optional. After filling in the details, tapping Save add the observation under the selected hike. This feature helps hikers record important information from their journey, and then this is useful for memory, safety, and research. And the next one is edit observation. User can also modify existing observation inside the hike detail page. Under observation, the user can select an observation and detect edit observation that found load with current data. After editing and clicking Save modifying it, this ensures the accuracy of recorded information. And the next one is the share hike feature allows the user to send hike information to others. On the hike detail screen, the user taps share the hike, and this device shares the hike data through platforms like email, messaging apps, and social media, and the others. This makes it easy for hikers to share plans or recommendations with friends. And then MHike includes a weather forecast tool to help users prepare before hiking. The user taps weather forecast. The app displays current weather, temperature, rain chance, expected conditions for the next hours or day. This hikers plan their walk safely and avoid dangerous weather conditions. And then if an observation is no longer needed, the user selects the observation from the list and can tap delete observation. And once confirmed, the observation is removed. This keeps the hike detail clean and relevant. In conclusion, MHike is a complete hiking management application that helps users organize, track, and share their hiking experience. The app is both practical and user-friendly. Thank you for listening, and I'm happy to answer any question. And then I will explain the hybrid version of MHike application, which I attempt to develop using React Native. Originally, the hybrid version was running perfectly for the first 3 days. I was able to install the dependency and development server and an Expo Go mobile application and the web preview. The initial server setup worked smoothly, and I was able to test components such as home-based navigation structure and basic UI sequence. And then, however, after those first 3 days, the hybrid application suddenly stopped working due to an issue caused by Cloudflare-based server production affecting the Expo installation command. Each time I tried to run the usual command, the terminal returned an error related to Cloudflare verification. This happened because Expo CLI relied on downloading template and packages from external server. Cloudflare automatically block or delay these requests when it suspects unusual traffic or when rate limits are hit. As a result, even though my internet connection was fine, the Expo installer repeatedly failed to fetch required file. To summarize, the hybrid version can successfully for 3 days, proving the concept. However, due to Cloudflare server restriction and repeat NPH installation failure, the hybrid environment became unusable afterward. The demonstration both the potential or the limitation of hybrid development to the relying on cloud-based resources. Thank you very much.